Hello, everyone. So this is a sample Nearpod lesson that I use in my class to teach layers of the atmosphere, and um, I will have students. Hello. So I will be presenting a quick video on how I use Nearpod lessons in my classroom as an instructional strategy. um, for my earth science class. So I'll go through the Nearpod, I'll project this on the screen. I'll go through and present to students the vocabulary that students will learn or should have exposure to prior to the lesson today. I will stop here and just have kids to activate their background knowledge, what they already know about our atmosphere or air. Then I will play a short video, which I discussed in my reflection piece, how I will play a video, pause it to ask for probing questions to connect student interest, background knowledge, and check what they have already learned from the previous day lesson. And then I will present the lesson and allow the kids to interact with the Nearpod to check for understanding. And I'll provide them information, allow students to answer more questions. So this Nearpod is the opportunity